Are you looking for GoProWay review and confused about its trustworthiness? Then you are at the right stop. Hello everyone, I welcome to all of you in this new website review. Today I'm gonna discuss about GoProWay review, which is famous in India. First of all, I want to confirm that this website is not owned by us. It's an unbiased review which will help you in deciding the answer of this question, whether I should buy from this website or not. Also, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then do watch this video till the end. I will be sharing the way to get your money back. Now, without any further delay, let's start the video. This is the website. The GoProWay is an e-commerce site which claims to provide ideal apparel with good cloth and associated designs for women, men and children. Like here we can see this is the website and these are their best bits, and below each product the price is mentioned and the price mentioned are too good to be trusted. Now let's check the payment mode available over the website. Here we can see that the payment mode through Airtel Pay, Visa, RuPay, MasterCard and others are available. Now let's check the shipping details. Here we can see all over the website no shipping page as well as no shipping details of the products is given, which is a negative point. Now before moving further, I request you all to please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done yet, as it works as our motivation to bring more such informative as well as well researched videos for you. Now, let's talk about those legitimacy points which proves whether a website is a scam or a legit website. First of all, talking about the security of the connection, this website has a secured HTTPS connection and was launched on 4th September 2020. Therefore, it's too young to be trusted. Now, let's check the About Us page of the website. Here we can see that they have not provided the About Us page, which is a negative point for the website. Now let's check the Contact Us page. Here we can see that they have provided a contact number as well as an email address for contacting them. Also, they have provided a contact form for the customers to contact. However, no physical address of the owner is given, which is also a negative point for the website. Now, let's check the social presence of the website. Let's check it from the products. Here we can see that the social icons of Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest is available. However, by checking on these links, we have seen that these social links are misleading, which is a negative point. Now, let's check the refund policy of this website. Like we can see, here are two refund pages available. First, let's check the refund policy page. Here we can see that they have provided a 30-day return policy and have also provided a separate mail for contacting for return. Also, they have well elaborated the whole process of the refund. However, by checking these exceptions or non-refundable items, we have seen that they have claimed to not return perishable goods such as food, flowers or plants. However, we have checked all over the website and seen that they sell clothings and related accessories, not the perishable goods. So the information available over this section is actually a copied information from other website. Hence, this rings a scam alert. Now let's check the second refund policy page, that is return and refund. Here they have said that they do the return within 7 days and they have well elaborated all the related information of the return and refund policy. Also, they have provided a separate mail for returning. Now, before moving further, I want to say that if you have any experience of return policy of this website, then do share your links in the comment section. Now, let's check the reviews options available. Like, let's say this product. Here we can see that the review option is available, but no customer reviews are available over the products. It's a negative point. Also, we have checked the customer reviews of this website or other online platforms like on trustpilot.com. No customer reviews over this website are available. Also, while checking the trust score online, we have seen that this website has a trust score of 2%. Also, according to cinegoa.tv, for the early customers of this website, they have mentioned that no confirmation of the order was taken. Therefore, it rings a scam alert for the website. Now, let's check the errors available over this website. We have seen that the error of the copying of the return policy of the page. Also, checking the content quality, this website has a poor content quality and the images are mostly plagiarized. Now, for the legitimacy of any website, its social presence, its customer reviews, its domain age, as well as the authenticity of information provided is important. We have seen that this website domain age is too young to be trusted. The customer reviews are not available. Also, the social presence is not well established and those social icons present on the website are actually misleading, which is negative point. And about the authenticity of the information provided, the copied information on the return policy marks a negative point. Therefore, we conclude through our above research that this website can be a possible scam and we advise you to stay away from it or use it at your own risk. Also, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then do check the link provided in the description box to get your money back. That's all about GoPro Way review. I hope you like this video. Please share your views on this video in the comment section, and also please do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you for watching this video. We advise you to be informed and be safe.